Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create 3D animation video using AI for free. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, we will need ChatGPT to make a prompt, and we will need Pixar AI to generate a video, and at the end we're going to compile all the videos using video editors such as CapCut or Filmora. So make sure that you have already prepared all the tools that we need. Okay, the first one, we're going to generate a prompt with ChatGPT. You can create a storyline and also prompt for each scene. And for example, I'm going to create 3D animation with forest theme. And this is the prompt for scene 1. I'm going to copy the prompt, and then we can go to Pixar, and you can sign into Pixar guys. And you can open up the Pixar and sign into Pixar with your Google account, and then you will get 60 credits for free. Alright, as you can see, I have 60 credits for free guys, and this is for my daily credits. And then you can paste the prompt here, and you can choose the resolution. You can choose the ratio right here. And I'm going to choose this ratio. You can also upload an image as a reference if you want, but I'm just going to leave it like that. And then I'm going to click on create, and it needs 20 credits. Okay, and then you can click on create to generate a video, and the AI will generate a video for you. You can generate the video guys scene by scene. Okay, now it's done, and we can click on this download icon to download the video. And let's say I have already generated all the scenes, so we just need to go to CapCut and then compile all the videos, and then we can add music, add effect and text, narration, and all the things that can make our video more captivating and more interesting. I'm going to create a project on CapCut. Let's say that I have already generated all scenes, and we can use CapCut to edit all scenes to create captivating animation. You can import your video and you can edit the video guys using this application. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.